1714 La Cruz. There's a satellite dish. Definitely need to take care of the weeds. That's normal. Amana AC. Tons of parking right here. Might want to remove this tree. So you pass this side gate to get to the front yard. The front door. So this is what is described in the MLS as the dog run. The papers probably have to be addressed, whether they're removed or placed down better, I don't know. This sliding door here goes into the kitchen. A gate was removed here. Junk. So I opened that, but I'll go ahead and enter through the front door. Replace these with landlord locks, of course. Replace that light, probably it's dated. Tile looks fine. It's really dark in here, so it's kind of hard to see everything, but overall it looks pretty good. I don't think it needs 100% repaint. Probably, I don't know, I'll say 20%. The property manager will make that call when she's here. These baseboards are looking really rough. There's also a smell in this house. I don't know what it is, but it doesn't smell like cat pee or anything animal related, which is good. Those are the toughest smells to get rid of. I would say just go ahead and assume repaint the cabinets. New cabinet poles, like these are uneven. Undermount sink, granite counters, gooseneck faucet, new blinds. So this is the slider that leads to that dog run. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a lot of bugs. 6. This is like an office. It's a little dark in here. Not the best paint job just at the bottom, so maybe new baseboards throughout the first floor. Oh, I'm gonna go around this way. Okay. Baseboards are looking rough in here, so maybe just assume for slightly higher baseboards. That way we'll make up for the bad lineup job with the paint. I think that's blind number 7. Absolutely recaulk everything. This is where the smell is coming from. Okay. So we have the garage and the laundry over there on the left. And that's a coat closet. So we're gonna head upstairs. Okay. We have a cord running all along here. Redo the tile. New counter. Okay. Get some closet door guides and maybe new things. This would be replaced with probably a passage knob. Lots of damage behind the toilet, but that's fairly normal. We just want to know what the damage was and if it was corrected and what needs to be done to correct it from this point on if it's necessary. So, nothing unusual.